Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my March 2023 Boxycharm Luxe box unboxing. I'm so excited that this just arrived and surprised. You can see it's all wet because there is a storm coming through right now and it's really bad, yet somehow they still delivered my Boxycharm Luxe box, which I am so happy about. This is only a quarterly upgrade in Boxycharm. And honestly, I'm very confused about all the changes happening with Boxycharm and Ipsy, so maybe this is going away. I don't know. If you're like kind of understanding, I guess, what's happening with Ipsy and Boxycharm and the Boxy Luxe, I would love to hear in the comments down below what is happening with the Boxy Luxe. But so I'm really excited to see what's in this. It's usually great brands, a lot of products. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Oh, and I forgot to give my little spiel about how I subscribe to all of Boxycharm and Ipsy, and I unbox them here on my YouTube channel, and I love unboxing subscription boxes and doing makeup reviews and tutorials. So I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you like that type of content. And I don't get any of my Boxycharm or Ipsy NPR. I pay for all of that myself. Okay, now I'm going to open up this box here. All right. Okay, the inside looks dry. I don't think I got any water or snow damage to the products. Let's see if I got any product information to start. No, I don't see any product information card in here. I wonder if that's just my box or if all the Boxy Luxe boxes did not get product information. But let's start with this big palette that I'm holding in my hands here, which is from Ofra. Ooh, I love trying out Ofra products. This is the Ofra On The Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. Oh my gosh, such a huge size palette for bronzer and highlighter. Oh, I mean, you can see it's a little broken, but definitely still usable. I think it's just this one here is kind of crumbling, but I love Ofra highlighters, and you get 1, 2, 3.5 highlighters in here, and then the bronzers, there's some blush. Oh my gosh. I wish this wasn't broken because this just looks so beautiful. I am so excited about this. Wow, what a great first product to start off the box. Okay, next, so this here, the Satin Sleep Set from Kitsch Beauty. It's an eye mask, a satin pillowcase, and a scrunchie. Oh my gosh, what is going on with my box like falling apart? Look at, this is all broken, like it's ripped through. I mean, the product seems intact, but I feel like this just arrived. Everything about this box arrived like so badly handled. But so I'm just not too pumped to get a product like this because I feel like I get a lot of it in beauty subscriptions, and I do use a satin pillowcase, I do use a satin scrunchie, both of those like all the time, literally every day. But the eye mask, I don't use that. I mean, it's a good gift to pass on to someone else, but just to me, not the most exciting product to get. I'm much more excited about that Ofra palette. But I'm bummed that it's all broken like this because now I feel like it's not like a product that I could gift on to someone else. But all right, let's see what else is in here. We've got Essential Radiance Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream from the brand Kat Berkey, powered by nutritional science. See, I wish I had product information because I feel like this would be an expensive product. And just in general, skincare is not, to me, the most exciting product to get in my subscription box. I definitely prefer to get makeup. That's the type of feedback that I give on my quiz. But this looks very nice. And I mean, I do use a face cream morning and night, so I can get use out of this eventually, but I have so many face creams and I don't change up my face cream the way I change up my makeup, so I just don't have as much immediate use for this, but it does seem very nice. Next, This is from the brand Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. I'm not excited to get a mask because I feel even less excited about this than I do a face cream, because I use masks even less than I use a face cream, and I feel like I get masks all the time, even though I've said I don't want to receive them in my beauty subscriptions. So yeah, this is the type of mask that you squeeze on, apply, leave on for 30 minutes, and then take off. And I just personally have found that I will use a mask so much more often and more regularly if it's something that I can use in the shower. It only needs to be applied for like a few minutes. This, I just know myself, I'm probably never going to get around to really using this, even though it probably is a very nice mask. But that's just why I don't really like to get these types of products in my beauty subscriptions. I prefer something that I'm going to get more use out of. But this is cruelty-free, vegan. It's a detoxifying treatment mask that's designed with next-gen Korean technology to support a miracle blend of ingredients. Oh, it's a peel-off mask that draws out impurities, boosts elasticity, and smooths bumps while nourishing, protecting, and regenerating your skin. Definitely sounds like I could use this for my skin concerns. Okay, oh no. Oh no! I got a black eyeliner from the brand Persona. I say oh no about this for many reasons. First of all, I have already received this exact product in Boxycharm before, the Persona 24-hour waterproof eyeliner in black. And it's decent. I have a dedicated review video on it that I can have linked in the description down below if you want to see that on this product. But like I was talking about face creams, face masks, how I don't want to receive those. At the top of the list of products that I don't want to receive is black eyeliner. So it's like a joke to me. I can't believe I just pulled out a black eyeliner. It is just like so frustrating to see in my beauty subscriptions. And seriously, Boxycharm this month is pretty awful. My Boxycharm premium box that I already unboxed here on my channel was really bad when it comes to how it was curated to me, and I was just not excited about the products. And then this Boxy Luxe, which is usually one of the most exciting boxes for me to get, is also so far very disappointing. And I've heard like Boxycharm is just trying to get rid of their products, they're giving old products, and clearly that seems to be the case with this as well. And I was saying with my Boxycharm premium box that if this is how it was every month or every season with this Boxy Luxe here, I would not want to be subscribed. But, you know, I'm hopeful with the changes coming with Boxycharm and Ipsy that it will be much better. But seriously, this is so bad in my opinion that I really would not want to be spending my money on this type of subscription. So yeah, frustrating. I do have a few more products left in here, so let's see what's in here. Okay, next, the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. Okay, this is different. Dissolves makeup on contact. Infused with calming jojoba and brightening rosehip oils, makeup is removed without leaving skin feeling tight or dry. So you spray this onto your face, massage it into the skin, and then gently wipe off. That is pretty cool and different. I love to see something innovative and different, so this doesn't exactly sound like the type of product that I'll use very much because I have my whole skincare routine with cleansing and all of that, but very cool. Okay, next I have here from the brand Pure. This is the Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. I have definitely received this product before as well. And this is another repeat product that I received in Boxycharm. And you are not supposed to get repeat products. And here I've just pulled out 2. I'm pretty sure last month I also got a repeat product, and then I went to try and reach out to Boxycharm, and what is so ridiculous and annoying is that they don't have an email where you can reach out to someone anymore. I reached out in an email that I had previously used with Boxycharm, and it came back like to me saying that that email address didn't exist anymore. So if you have any tips on how to contact Boxycharm about issues like this, you know, I got some damaged products, I got repeat products, that's what I should be able to reach out to them about if they have good customer service, which seems like right now they don't. This is definitely turning into like a complaining video, but you know, I keep it honest. So the disappointment continues with this product here. But I do have a dedicated review video on it that I can have linked in the description down below as well if you want to see more information on the Pure Fully Charged Mascara. And then the last product in here, oh my gosh. This is like officially the worst unboxing. Definitely the worst ever Boxy Luxe box ever. But I just got another brush set. I definitely have gotten this exact brush set before from LaRousse. I mean, it's cool. I like the container here. You get 5 different brushes, but I hate getting brushes. It's another thing that I've put that I do not want to receive. And this is kind of like a joke box to me because I just received everything that I have said that I don't want to receive. Brushes, black eyeliner, masks. This is actually kind of ridiculous. And so I'm wondering if everyone else is feeling similarly about their Boxy Luxe boxes. So please let me know in the comments down below what you think of your box, what you got in your box. If you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. But I mean, even I've tried out like half of these products already. Oh, this is such a letdown, especially when I'm always so excited to get my Boxy Luxe box, and literally nothing in here has me feeling happy and excited to get it. Maybe that Ofra palette, but it arrived damaged. So I'll give Boxycharm a little bit more time, a little bit more chances before unsubscribing, but I would seriously unsubscribe if it continues in this direction. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.